Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make moringa water. First, gather your ingredients. 1 teaspoon of moringa powder or a small handful of fresh moringa leaves, and 8 to 12 ounces of filtered water. Using fresh, high-quality moringa is key for a potent and flavorful drink. This simple preparation ensures you get the most from your moringa. To begin mixing, if using powder, first combine 1 teaspoon of moringa powder with about 2 ounces of warm water in a glass. Stir this vigorously to form a smooth paste, which helps avoid any clumps. Once smooth, add the remaining 6 to 10 ounces of cold water and stir everything together until fully combined. For the best experience, enjoy your moringa water immediately after preparation. If you have any left over, store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator and consume it within 24 hours to maintain its freshness. You can also enhance the flavor by adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a small amount of honey. Moringa water is a fantastic way to incorporate essential vitamins and minerals into your daily routine, supporting overall wellness. Many people find it beneficial to drink it in the morning to help energize their day. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.